Let me share with you one life hack that you probably won't believe. It was almost 4 years ago that when we were living in Cyprus, that our neighbor, he was in his business life relatively successful, and we went out for dinner with him. And this was, by the way, the very last time that we ever saw him. He passed away since. Perhaps he wasn't living the healthiest life in the end, but he had some beautiful advice. And during our last lunch together, I posed him the question, what is it that made you so successful in business? And he thought about it and he grinned a bit and he said, I, uh, I always bought everybody a drink and they liked me for it. And that was true. He did like his drinks and he did like sharing his drinks as well. And then he pondered a bit more and he said, well, I also always took my banker out for lunch, at least once a month. And that also really helped me in business. But then he became a bit more serious and he really started to ponder. And he said, friendliness and righteousness. That's the way that I really make my business work. So aren't those beautiful values for us? Isn't that a beautiful life lesson for us to live by? Become friendlier and more righteously. Thank you very much for listening today, my friends. Let's be friendly. Let's be rightly. Namaste.